Moving on to number 5. 5 asks, how many moles are present in 130.8 grams of zinc? So we're converting grams, and we'll know we're done when we have a number of moles of zinc. So then I'm going to multiply that by a conversion factor. Since I'm looking for moles, I need moles on top. Since I'm starting with grams, I need grams on the bottom. It's going to be 1 mole of zinc. And we know that 1 mole of zinc, if we look at a periodic table, is 65.38 grams. So 65.38 grams of zinc is equivalent to 1 mole of zinc. So that means 130.8 times 1 divided by 65.38 grams is going to cancel, and so we would divide 130.8 by 65.38, and my calculator says 2.000611808. Now, I think we can all agree that that's way too many digits, but how many digits would be appropriate to keep for our answer? So originally, we were given 130.8 grams to start the problem. 65.38, which we got from a periodic table. So 4 significant figures, 4 significant figures. So then in our answer, we can keep 4 significant figures. So the 2, the 0, the 0. So that gives us our 4. We end with that 6, so that would round up. So we would report the answer as 2.001 moles of zinc. That would be the completely correct answer to report. If we move on to number 6. Number 6 from the lecture examples asks how many moles would be present in 0.20, so 0.200 grams of water, H2O. Same kind of format. We're going to end when we have moles of water. Now just kind of reasoning through. 0.2 grams. So hydrogen itself is 1 gram per mole. So we are looking at some fraction of a mole. So 0.2, about 1% of a mole, right, as an idea before we start working it out. Grams needs to get canceled away, so grams is going to go on the bottom. We're looking for moles, so moles is going to go on the top. And it's 1 mole of water for every, so now we're looking at a compound. You've got 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. Hydrogen, if we look on the periodic table, has a molar mass of 1.008. You got 2 of those guys, so that's 2.016. And then oxygen is 16.00. So that gives us for water, it's 18.016 grams of water is equal to 1 mole of water. So now if we multiply that by that conversion factor, grams are going to cancel away. 0.2 times 1, then divided by 18.016 is going to give us 0.2 divided by... Calculator reports it as 0.011012433. Now, looking at this number, this 0, not significant. These zeros after the 2 are significant because they are to the right of the body of integers, and there's a decimal point. So that number is 3 significant figures. So our answer can then keep 3 significant figures. So that 0 is not significant, that 0 is not significant, 1, 1, 1 followed by a 0. So we are going to report this as 0.0111 moles of water.